Good evening, guys. I have a special guest with me today. It's because we're at the new Cars and Cameras headquarters.
That's right.
And
no quarantine.
Coronavirus quarantine. And what do we have going on today? It was good.
The quarantine quiche cocktail.
Okay, so we're cooking whatever we have in the fridge, and let me tell you, there ain't much here.
It's a cocktail.
Yeah.
It's a mishmash.
Well, actually we do have plenty here because I brought it.
Yeah.
But apparently soup gives me gas.
And me acid reflux. So we have 30 cans of soup, and it's just a bad idea for either of us to eat it.
Probably have more than 30 cans. I don't know. Anyhow, so we went through the refrigerator, and we decided we'd go with a cooking video quiche.
Yeah.
Well, we're not prepared because the crust that we had is a graham cracker pie crust. I can only imagine this is going to be a very interesting quiche.
Yeah.
So we're just going to imagine this is a regular pie crust.
Yeah, we're going to, yeah.
It's in there.
Right.
It's a regular pie crust, and it's deep dish too.
Oh yeah.
Because I like deep dish
Absolutely.
pie crust. We have a meat.
Yeah.
We have some bacon.
It's bacon jerky.
And of course, every quiche is going to need some sharp cheddar.
A lot of cheese.
Love sharp cheddar. And our vegetable is
baby spinach.
Spinach.
Leftover onion and asparagus.
That's right.
And of course,
plenty of eggs.
Only the cage-free fresh eggs.
So first things first, let's whip up some eggs.
Let's do it.
So let's have a nice deep bowl.
Let me see if I have one. You're asking a lot here, man.
Hey man, just give me, that'll work. That'll work. So first things first, guys, let's wash these hands.
Have you been eating more soup?
No.
Okay.
I don't know what you're smelling. What do they say, 2 minutes?
No, you gotta sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
No,
really?
It's copyrighted.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's why they don't sing happy birthday at major restaurants.
Well, it wasn't 15 seconds.
No.
I'm going to just go with
good.
the 15-second rule, and
yeah.
y'all get the idea. Man, I got to start again.
You lost count?
I lost count. It's all right.
Yeah, no, it's good, it's good, it's good. Stabilized too?
No.
Okay.
Well, I mean, you know what? I have no idea.
It looks pretty good.
I'll save that one for last. Oh, look at that.
Oh, do you want me to preheat the oven?
Yeah, 350.
I'm gonna need about 350.
Yeah. Your refrigerator is mighty cold, man. You need to put.
Too cold?
You need to put a temperature thing in there and check.
Oh, it's set to coldest.
I don't know what the best temperature is, but this is like one of the colder fridges.
Okay.
I'm only going by what the eggs feel like, you know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with 4 eggs, and I can always mix a couple more later. All right. Now, what kind of spices do you have, sir?
All right. There's not much here, man, but I have salt, pepper.
Nice. What else you got?
Curry powder, ground cumin, cinnamon powder, chili powder, red or cayenne red pepper, maple syrup, olive oil.
Take the red pepper. You want a little chili powder in it, or?
Yeah, man. Let's add a little. Yeah, I'm all about some kick.
Okay. All right. I like adding some spices to the eggs before mixing them, and we'll go with some pepper, cayenne red pepper. Oh yeah.
That's pretty good.
throw a little bit of chili powder. Not a lot, right?
Yeah, no, that's fine. I wonder if that high-pitched noise will be perceptible on camera. Probably not.
Probably not. Alright, now I'm going to mix up these eggs. I wish the bowl had a little bit sharper.
Yeah, uptake.
Yeah. Alright, there we go. Let's chop up some onions. Just a little bit of onions, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Don't want it overpowering.
Yeah.
Woo! I opened that thing up, it about made me cry.
Yeah, the onion.
There's the knife I want right there. Alright. How do you like your onions? Like, do you like them long or do you like them chopped up?
I like them uniform size with everything else. But, yeah, I know that sounds really picky. I don't care.
That's asking a lot from me, buddy. So do you want the green stuff in here too?
Yeah, man, might as well.
Alright.
I'm running out of hand soap, but can't find it online.
Well, hand soap, the Dawn works great.
It's true.
Alright, can I cut the green stuff up kind of fine?
Yep, yeah.
I mean, not super fine, but just... Man, I gotta say, I have had one heck of a Walking Dead marathon with this coronavirus thing. Yeah. What is y'all's Rona playlist for like movies y'all like?
Tiger King.
Tiger King.
We gotta start you on Tiger King, man.
No!
Why not?
Man, I just, like, I guess that's what I've been seeing on Facebook, that dude with the tiger and stuff. What is up with that?
You just gotta watch it. It's too crazy to
Is
try
it
to explain.
is it a movie?
No, it's like a documentary.
A documentary.
7 episodes.
Have you watched it?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Watched in like 3 days.
Like a marathon, huh?
Oh yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You paused there a little bit, buddy.
Well, I mean, good is such a broad term, you know?
Would you watch it again?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yeah, totally, man. Just so I can get your reaction on
Oh
it.
no. Dude, no matter what, I am eating this quiche.
Even with graham cracker?
No, even if I can't stand it, I'm gonna eat it.
Well, you can't waste food, man.
That's right. Not in our position. So I'm gonna unpack this graham cracker pie crust. Graham cracker pie crust. You gotta work with what you got, guys.
Absolutely. If we've taught you anything, let's work with what you get.
First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some cheese to the bottom of the pie crust. Say goodbye to this cheese, buddy.
Bye.
Adding some cheese to the bottom here. I'll try to conserve a little bit, buddy.
I mean, I want more cheese.
I'm gonna add a little bit of eggs to the bottom here. And then I'm gonna add alright, let's start with, let's go for some meat. Let's see how it tastes.
Throw some deli meat in there too.
The pie crust is a little small.
And I guess if it's disgusting, we don't want to, like, you know, add all of our ingredients, put all our eggs in one basket.
No pun intended, right? There's not a lot of meat in here. Add some of this mixture of asparagus and onions. Add some more eggs. Oh man, I'm gonna have to mix up some more. The best thing to do, guys, is layers. You want to do a layer, 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 layer. So we're up to the cheese again. Now I always like doing the last layer with cheese. So we're gonna go with more eggs. I'm gonna go with, I think 2 eggs will be fine. It's looking pretty good, guys. Alright, and I believe the last thing I'm gonna add is, well, a little bit of this. Well, let's not waste. Let's just go for it. No wasting. Some bacon. There we go. And the last bit is the cheese. Sorry if the washing machine bothers y'all. I'm doing my laundry at the same time. I'm like a homemaker today. Yep, well, look, I'm ready to pop this thing in the oven.
Sweet.
All right. And we stick this in for an hour. Boom, boom, check time. Buddy, we're gonna be eating by 12:30.
Excellent.
All right, man. See you in an hour. All right, dude. So what's your first impression of the smell?
Smells like dessert,
Kind of does.
but it
doesn't
smells good.
Yeah. All right. So.
Oh, it's brown, all right.
Yeah, she brown.
Do I even have an oven? Just use this.
You got her?
Smells good.
Does?
I think so.
It's
got all that bacon.
It's got a sweet smell to it, and I'm thinking that's the crust.
Graham cracker.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna go take it to John. I've been watching like crazy amounts of Walking Dead. He's in there right now. I'm gonna go see what his reactions are with this pie.
Oh man, delivery and everything.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, dude.
It smells great.
It smells sweet.
Yeah.
Have you tried it yet?
No, I haven't.
You're waiting on me to be the
You are the test dummy.
tester?
Well, you know, excuse the reference, but you know.
Yeah, the bake looks good.
Uh-huh.
Bake looks good. No soggy bottoms. Yep. All right.
Hot. All right. The look on your face, was it because it was hot, or is it that bad? It's pretty bad, huh?
The crust kills it, man.
The crust kills it. We'll take a bite without the crust, if you can.
I'll try less crust.
I didn't have a good feeling on that crust.
Yeah. Alright, it's less crust than that too. So this has been, you've been making quiche for a long time, haven't you?
Yes, sir.
Remember, ever since I met you, you tell me you make killer quiche, and I'm sure you do when you have proper crust.
Well, I hate that this is the first you had, and all the ingredients are wrong. But it'll be fine, so
Much better without crust.
much better without the crust. Well, that's good. So I'm gonna eat my sweet quiche, and hope y'all enjoyed the video, guys. Be safe out there, don't get the Rona. I'll catch y'all later.